Let's look at the graph of the square root function. So y equals the square root of x. Let's create a quick table of values. So x and y. When x is 0, y is the square root of 0, which is 0. When x is 1, y is the square root of 1, which is 1. When x is 4, y is the square root of 4, which is 2. When x is 9, y is the square root of 9, which is 3. So let's quickly plot these points. I've got 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, 9, 3. And sketching in the curve, there is a quick graph of the square root parent function. And from this graph, we can easily identify some attributes. So the domain, which I'll abbreviate as D, goes from 0 to infinity, including 0. That's interval notation. As an inequality, we could write x is greater than or equal to 0. Or in set notation, the set of all x's such that x is greater than or equal to 0. From this graph, we can also see the range, which is also from 0 to infinity, including 0. That's interval notation. In inequality notation, I could write y is greater than or equal to 0. And in set notation, I could write the set of all y's such that y is greater than or equal to 0. The x-intercept, or where the graph intersects the x-axis, is at the point 0, 0. The y-intercept is at the same point, 0, 0. And the minimum point is also at the origin, 0, 0. Although if we're asking for the minimum value, which remember is the y value at the minimum point, the minimum value is 0. And those are the basic attributes of the square root function.